Don't hate the algorithm, play the game. Here are 5 social media tactics to dial in. If you're looking to enhance your reach and dial up impressions, you want to make sure that you are strategically thinking about organizations, key influencers in your industry that you can tag inside your content. However, pro tip, make sure that it is relevant to those organizations and people you're tagging. No one wants to be tagged in a post that has nothing to do with them. Another tactic that you have to make sure you add to your social media strategy is making your posts actionable. Include calls to actions on every single post, whether it's to drive traffic somewhere else or keep people engaged in the comment thread. Keeping in mind, of course, that behaviors are different on different platforms. Instagram, links aren't clickable. Facebook, they are. Plan your content accordingly. National days are huge in the social media space. There is one for literally every day. There's probably multiple. But I want you to think about national days that are relevant to you, relevant to your brand and your business. For example, we know that puppies and babies are internet gold. However, if you have a dog post for National Dog Day and maybe your dog doesn't come to work with you, it might not be as relevant as other holidays that are strategically tied directly to your business. Up until recently, social media has been all about that hashtag life for discoverability. However, nowadays it's all about creating compelling captions that have keywords, not just any words that you think your audience is searching for, actual words that you know that they're looking for. Add them to your caption and reap the benefits of being more discoverable. This small step can make a big impact. We're talking geotagging. If you're a small business or have a brick and mortar location, you're gonna wanna pay attention to this one. It is a simple step that's often missed when you're creating your posts. Add your location, either of your own business, places you're visiting. Why? Because it narrows your audience from posting to the wide open world just to those folks around the corner from you. For a deeper dive on all things social media strategy, I invite you to check out the rest of the videos on the OSnap Social channel.